All right, so if the basics of while loop are done, now what do I want you to do is I want you to take input from the user in a variable called, let's say, table. Okay. And let's assume user enters 4. User can enter any number, right? Let's say user enters 4. Now what do we want? We want to print a table from 1 to 10, which means first of all, it should say 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, then 4 multiplied 2 is 8, up till 4 multiplied 10 is 40. Now let's dissect it and let's see how it actually plays out. So first of all, here we have 4, again 4, and all the way we have 4, 4, 4. And what is 4? 4 is the variable table, right? If user enters 5, then there should be 5, 5, 5. So first of all, we'll have to print table, then multiply. This is a string, static string. It will stay as it is. Then we have this 1. That is, next time it becomes 2, then 3, then 4, up till 10. Which means we have to have a variable that starts from 1 and ends at 10. And there should be an increment of 1. That should be printed over here, right? Then is again a static string. Then here is the interesting thing. First of all, it says 4, then 8, then 12, and so on. Ultimately, it says 40. First of all, what is this 4? 4 is the result of multiplication of this table and this counter. So 4 multiplied by 1. Table multiplied by counter is 4. Then 4 multiplied by 2. Table multiplied by counter is 8. And ultimately, 4 multiplied by 10, or variable table multiplied by variable counter, is 40. I hope you guys will be able to implement it, and obviously it looks like there will be a for loop that will be starting from 1, not from 0. And it will end at 10, not less than 10, but should be less than or equals to 10, or maybe less than 11, whatever you prefer.